if the quotient, take down, if the quotient obtained on dividing eight x power 4 minus 2x squared plus 6x minus 7 by 2x plus 1 is 4x cube plus px squared minus qx plus 3. Then find p, q and remainder. Now we know this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and this is the quotient. So what you are supposed to do, take the divisor 2x plus 1 as 0. So 2x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus half. Now let us take the coefficients in the descending order. So x power 4, powers in the descending order, x power 4, this is a polynomial, x power 4. What I am going to do is the synthetic division method. Synthetic division method. In synthetic division method, you have to consider the dividend and make it sure whether it is arranged in the descending manner, the powers of the x. So 4, next is 3. So there is no cube. So you can put 0 for this. Then 2, 1 and constant. So you can take down only the coefficient. 8x power 4. What is the coefficient? 8 is the coefficient. And then there is no cube. You can put the 0. Then squared means minus 2. The coefficient of x squared is minus 2. Write the coefficient of x plus 6. And what about this? Minus 7. So put a vertical line like this and you leave one space, then put this minus half. Now start with 0. Okay, so 8 minus, and you are supposed to write the same 8. Okay, then you have to multiply this. So 8 into minus 4 minus half, how much? Minus 4. Is it not? 8 into minus 1 by 2 means 4 times. So 4 into minus 1, minus 4. So put minus 4, then you can add these two. So minus 4. You have to add. Then again you have to multiply. So minus of minus plus, 4 into half, 2. So this is plus 2. Add 0. And again you have to multiply. Minus of into 0, 0. Add 6. And again you have to multiply by minus half into 6 to give minus 3, means minus 10. So we have found out the remainder. the remainder is 10. Okay, and the quotient is already declared here. What is the quotient? 4x cube, is it not? And then px squared, and then minus qx plus 3, is it not? So the quotient, take the quotient is, can put q as quotient. Okay, so what you have got? 8x, quotient is 4x cube, is it not? So 4x cube, and then how much? And how you are able to get this 4x cube? That should have been multiplied by 1 by 2, is it not? So you can put the same. So you can take the 1 by 2. Okay, and what is this 1 by 2? This 1 by 2 is the x, the value of x obtained from the divisor. You can consider again here 1 by 2, but take this as a positive quantity because we have got already 2x plus 1. So take this as a positive quantity, and instead of writing 4x cube, you start with 8x cube. Okay, because our divisor is 8 only. Our quotient is 8. So you can put, open the bracket, and this is 8x cube. And next is, you can write down whatever the quotient we have got here. Minus how much? 4x squared. And then 0, leave it. And then 6x. So plus 6x. So this is our actual quotient. 6x only. 0x x squared, 0x squared வருதா? 8x cube, இங்கே minus 4x squared, அடுத்தது 0x, correct. அடுத்தது 6 only, because 0x. So if you have got 4, and it should have been 3, that is cube, squared, and then x, 0x, and 6. So 6 is the constant. Clear? Now you can multiply by this 1 by 2. How much? 4x cube. Okay, and 1 by 2 into minus 4, how much? Minus 2 x squared, and this much plus 3. So from this it's clear that you can compare the actual coefficient whatever we have obtained. So the given coefficient, this is the coefficient obtained, but you are divided by 1 by 2 or multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so the given coefficient. Okay, so you can compare the given coefficient. Okay, this is the one obtained. So 4x cube, 4x cube, px squared minus 2x squared. So when you compare, px squared is equal to minus 2x squared, means p is equal to minus 2. Clear? And there is no x, so you can put qx as a 0x, is it not? So q is equal to 0. Okay, this is the second answer. Third one is, you have got a remainder minus 10. So r is equal to minus 10. This is the third answer. Okay, so this is the first answer, this is the second answer, this is the third answer. Are you able to follow? So since it is a polynomial, actually you should have got 8x cube minus 4x squared plus 6x is the actual coefficient, but that is equal to 0 in a case of polynomial. So in order to compare this equation, you have to suitably multiply by the factor. So when you multiply by the factor 1 by 2, you can get it. Okay, right. Is it clear now?